The last couple of Halloweens, I've seen some cool pumpkin dioramas on Pinterest, so I was really excited to make my own. I decided to make one of mine in a lantern and the other in this carvable plastic pumpkin. My first diorama is a pumpkin patch. I cut a large opening with an X-Acto knife, and then I painted the inside blue. I added a few clouds too. Then I used a foam circle thing that people use in floral arrangements and cut off a bit on the sides and bottom so that it would fit in the bottom of the pumpkin. I painted the foam brown. And then I painted a mixture of glue and water over the top. And sprinkled this model fake turf over the entire bottom so it looked a bit like grass. I made a little cardboard barn for the background scenery. My other props were this little scarecrow I made, a wagon, a wash tub, some little hay bales, a pumpkin patch sign and pennant banner, a cat, and a whole bunch of mini pumpkins. Unless I made them, all of my miniatures are from Hobby Lobby or Michaels. Then I just played around with where I wanted things to go and glued them in. This is a fun project to get really creative with. If you aren't feeling so creative, they sell packs of little Halloween miniatures at Target and craft stores that you can just place inside a pumpkin. And there are so many different themes you could go with. I thought about making a haunted house or a fairy garden or maybe a campground scene. Greta really wanted to show you her Halloween costume. She hates it. In the lantern, I made a spooky graveyard scene. I made little gravestones from my leftover paint stirrer sticks from the last video. I bought this fence, a little skulls and raven figurine, and some battery-operated color-changing lights. I'll quickly show you how I made the rest of the props. I created a dead tree from fake flower stems and floral tape, and painted it black to fit the spooky theme. I made a moon by cutting 2 circles out of cardboard and painting them yellow. Then I made some classic cheesecloth ghosts. I cut out some little squares from the cheesecloth, created a form out of tinfoil that looked vaguely ghost-shaped, and then soaked the cheesecloth squares in a water and glue mixture and draped them over the form. I didn't use much glue, so mine actually dried pretty quickly. I wrapped the lights around the tree. And then I used some thread to hang some pumpkins from the branches of the tree. I glued down the tree, and then I hung the lights all around the inside of the lantern. I used thread to hang the moon and the ghosts. And then I glued in all the rest of my props. I thought these turned out really cute. If you make a diorama, I'd love to see what you come up with, so tag me in your pictures on Instagram at emily.oliverson. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!